Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I will be revealing the winner for the 800 Beautiful Wildflowers subscriber giveaway. And so, if you want to know who the lucky person is, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And I did go ahead and decide to pick the winner for the 800 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway because I was sitting somewhere between 804, 805 for a while now. I'm going to say a solid week. And I felt really guilty holding on to it, thinking, God, they're going to take 10 away and I'm going to end up at $7.95. But you know what? If it happens, it is what it is. But I did see that I was up to 807 as of this recording. And so I'm really glad that it's sticking. And I knew I would choose somebody by the end of the week. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to make them wait anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. And if I do fall below, it is what it is, okay? I'm not going to sweat the small stuff. So anyway, before I get going, since I've had such good feedback and asking or making requests to me about my affirmations or my quote for the day that I've been keeping in my book in hopes that I will, print my own book or box of cards, whatever the media, I don't know yet. That I said, you know what? Okay, I'll do one more. The thing is, I don't want to do them all, and then you guys heard them all before I can actually compile it into a nice package, right? So let's see. But I will be happy to do one today because it is a special milestone, which is 800 beautiful wildflowers out there and some, right? And so here's what I wrote, and I will tell you first when I wrote this. Okay, I wrote this on August 28th of current year, 2021. And what prompted me to write this? Why did I write this? Don't be limited by thinking, set myself free from all thoughts and constraints and follow my heart. Because I was really holding myself back from some things and I was getting really exhausted and fighting. And, there's a lot of things that's going on in my life as well. And, internal struggles, based on external influences and things like that. So, I've been really thinking about life. And on this day, I thought to myself, oh my God, that's it. I've had it. I'm done fighting. I'm just going to, if you can't beat them, join them. And then something said to me, but that doesn't sound like you. That's not who you are. And so these very simple, very short affirmation came to me, and this is what I got. Okay, when I think I can't continue, I will take one more step to encourage my heart. When I think I can't continue, I will take one more step to encourage my heart. And I think what I'm trying to say by that, at least for me, is that when I think I've had it, that's it, done. Stick a fork in me, done. I just need to take one more step forward, because when I make that step forward, it's a progress forward. And my heart will say to me, you see, you thought you were done, but you were able to take another step forward. But you were able to take a step forward. And I know at that point, my heart is going to be encouraged. And it's going to say to me, you took one step today, why not one more tomorrow? And so, the cycle, just like the vicious cycle of anything negative, positive things could be that way too. And so if I put myself into a cycle, I should be able to put one foot in front of the other. Next thing you know, I'm going to be walking faster, and then I'm going to be running. But one thing I don't want to do with myself is just lay back and say, I'm done. I'm not taking another step. I'm through. I don't want to do that. Why? Because that's not me. This is not who I am. And I don't want you to be that person either. So when you think you're done, you cannot go another step or another inch. Take one more step, whatever it takes. Take one more step, whatever it takes. It's kind of like the old adage that says, if you fall off the horse, get back on again. this is just another way of saying that, right? Is to say, take one more step, encourage your heart, tell your heart, look, I was able to do one more step. And the heart would say, yeah, I knew that. It's your mind that told you you couldn't. So get rid of those constraints, guys. Get rid of it. Get rid of the thoughts. Get rid of the negative thoughts and just let your heart rule you, okay? Because your heart will not set you in a wrong direction. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed it. And now you know why I wrote it and when I wrote it, so it makes sense to you guys, okay? So I like to add context to what I write because sometimes it's just so nebulous, right? It's just out there. You don't really know what the context is, but I think it really helps when, at least for me, if I know the context. And that's a reason why I chose to write it like that, is to give you what I was thinking and when I wrote it. And so that way you have an idea and it may help you have that same recollection of time, okay? And a situation in which these things would apply. Okay, alrighty. So what I'm gonna do is I did go ahead and video the clip with my iPhone, and I do apologize because it's shaky. And then another thing too, I could not find me as usual, and you guys have seen a couple of my giveaways where I couldn't find where I was public in their channel, but they are in fact public when I go to the comments and I see that little red folder that says they've been subscribed for how many ever long. So it even gives you a time frame of how long they've been your subscriber, right? Or my Beautiful Wildflower. So I had to take that step again, and I did write a email to YouTube and say, hey, what's up with that? And I actually went back to my videos and I looked at the ones that wasn't like that, so I can point to them and say, these are the people. This is where I have a red folder that says they subscribe, but they're not showing up. I'm not showing up on their channel in a normal way. So yeah, don't know what that is, but okay. As long as I found you guys, okay? And I'm gonna always do that one extra step because I know there are glitches in YouTube. So don't you worry. If you make the comment, you spelled it right, and you were in the mix, you had just as equal opportunity, okay? So I know you guys are like, hurry up, hurry up. And many people probably already forward fast at this point, so okie dokie. And okay, the day that we've been waiting for, which is the drawing for the 800 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway, or 800 subscribers. And so what I did was I did go ahead and copy the link here and the URL. And also I filtered for duplicate users, so everybody has one entry. And I did filter the comments based on the agreed upon text, which is September. So let's see, first of all, how many people actually did comment. And so let's see. Okay, looks like there are 80 comments. So great. So, okay, let's see. Let's go over here and see who the winner is. Okay, where did it go? There we go. I'm trying to do this with left hand and hold the camera with my right. So sorry about that. I know you guys are like, hurry up, push the button. So here we go. Let's start. Okay. Oh my goodness, Nisi Watson. Okie dokie. Okay, that's definitely a surprise. She commented, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Alexis, happy birthday to you. So she actually sent it to me. It says, enjoy your special day. September flew by us, almost over. Congrats to the winner. And that was for the other actual giveaway that I had on that video. Wow, okay. And I'm going to go ahead and do the extra step to check and make sure she is subscribed to me publicly, and I actually know she is. But let's just go ahead and go through the motions, so just to make sure. And so let's go ahead and go through, and this may be a long list, so I'll go ahead and try to do this as quickly as possible. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and forward fast. It's really fast, but I actually am looking at them, and unfortunately sometimes people aren't on here, but then I will have to do the next step. And if that's the case, I will explain it to you, because I do need to reach out to YouTube, because it seems like this is happening more and more to me because it happened in 2 other giveaways. But the good thing is there's other ways we can check to make sure that the winner is publicly subscribed. Okay, as usual, what I will do now is I will go ahead and go to my channel content, because as you noticed in the past that even though people are subscribed, they don't come up on this part, but they do come up actually. Let's see, I will pick, let's see here. They do come up when I look at the, let's see, 22nd, right? Yep, here we go. Okay, comment. Okay, and I will unfilter everything. And there's going to be a lot of comments, I think. But we'll go ahead and take a look. And since there was 80 that was already commented, so I may go ahead and have to go through that many. But I don't know why that is, but I think my last 2 winners had to go through the same thing. They're not showing up on the actual big page, but they do show that they are subscribed. And so it's very strange. Okay, here we go. Okie dokie. Okay. It's taken a while to go through all of them because I think there was so many of these comments. So let's see. Whoops, I'm really crooked here. Sorry about that. Okay. I wish there was other ways to really filter this, but I mean, I don't know why this happens. And I think I need to write YouTube and say, hey, what's up with that? My last, couple of winners have not showed up in the channels, but they actually are subscribed to me because I can check in other ways. And I mean, yeah. It is what it is, though. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay. That's the same comment that came up as you saw in the winner. And if you notice here, she's been subscribed to me for over a year. And I know this because she was one of my original wildflowers. And so very interesting how that happened. So I'm going to have to check it out. So anyway, regardless, congratulations, Nisi. That was very surprising. I didn't expect your name to pop up, to be honest. But yeah, now I will go ahead and give you back to the closing of this video. And congratulations, Nisi. Okay, congratulations, Nisi. I am so very happy for you. And as you know, you have 48 hours to get to me to let me know that you saw the video. And in the past, you have won my giveaway. So you asked me to keep your address, so I did. So I'll dig that out and you won't have to send me your address, but please do acknowledge that you did see the video and you know that you're the winner, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want to say thank you so very much from the bottom of my left ventricle. I truly mean that. And just because you didn't win this giveaway doesn't mean you're not going to win any other. And I know, I had last year, I think, what was it? I had 30 plus giveaways. No, a lot more than that because I remember picking the names for the 1 year anniversary giveaway. So I had a lot more than that. So, and I plan on having a lot more this year as well. And as you know, I do have one going on right now, which is small one that I intended on, I guess, using to make you guys feel better because I was taking forever to roll this one out. But now you will see that on Thursday, I believe, because that was intended to be short, and it's the mask giveaway. And I will have other ones, and at this point, because I'm so close to 1,000, I will be having giveaways at every 50. So in other words, the next giveaway will be 850, then 900, 950, then 1,000, okay? And so the 50 mark milestones are not going to be as big as like 900, like 800, 900, 1,000, but it will be still substantial for you guys, okay? So alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I just want to thank you guys so much. And I want to thank you for commenting and talking to me, asking questions, making requests. And I do have those requests and I will be doing those videos. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer, but I will do them, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value today, please do give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed it and you like this type of content, and if you want to have a chance at future giveaways, please do hit subscribe, then the bell, and then select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower. And never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.